Number 20. The figure below is a square of x centimeters. So from here to here it is x, and from here to here it is x centimeter. The square is divided into 4 regions. So we have A, we have B, we have C, and we have D. Regions A and C are squares. So this is a square and that is a square. Square C is of side y, so this is side y and this is y centimeter. Regions B and D are rectangles. So we can say since this side, the whole of this side is x, this is x minus y, and this is x minus y. Here we have y because it's the same as this side, it is the same as that side. This side is y because it is indicated here, and this side is y, and of course this side is y. So with all the sides we have there, find the total area of the regions in terms of x and y in factorized form. So we start with A and C. A and A is the area of A, so we have A, Roman number 1. The area of A is x minus y. You multiply by x minus y. Then you add to the area of C, which is y times y, and that will give you y squared. So this we can say this is x minus y into bracket squared, and then we have plus y squared. So that is Roman number 1. Roman number 2, we say B and D. We start with the area of B, it is y. Because this side is x minus y, then it is y, you multiply by x minus y. That is the area of B. The area of D, this side is x minus y, and this is y. So this is plus y multiplied by x minus y, and you can add the 2 and you get it is 2y into bracket x minus y. So that is the area. Then we go to Roman number 3. Roman number 3, we are told to find the total area of A, B, C, and D. So we are going to add this and this. So this is going to give us, we start with x minus y squared plus y squared. That is the area of A and C, and you add to 2y into bracket x minus y. Since we have x minus y is common, we can factor it out, x minus y, one of them. So here you'll be left with x minus y, and then we have plus y squared, and here you'll be left with plus 2y. That is how we factorize, and we can rearrange that and say this is x minus y into bracket. Since we are supposed to leave it in factorized form, then we put bracket. We will start with the y squared. We have minus y plus 2y, that will give us 1y plus y, and then we have plus x. So that is the total area of all the regions A, B, C, and D. At B, we say we are told to find the total area of B and D in terms of x, given that y is equals to 2. The area of, we have been given that area here. So we just replace with 2. So this is 2 times 2 into bracket x minus 2. You open the bracket, this will give you 4 into bracket x minus 2. And when you open the bracket, you find it is 4x minus 8. So that is the area of B and D in terms of x, given that y is equals to 2. See, we can do it here. and we are told factorize 25c squared and 16 squared. So that's a difference of 2 squares. So we can write this is 5c, that is we write 5c into that is into bracket squared minus 4 squares. So that's a difference of 2 squares, which we can write it is 5c minus 4, and you put a bracket, and then you have 5c minus 4. So that is how you factorize that. From there, we are told to evaluate, so we go to part D. Part D, we have evaluate without using mathematical tables. So this is 424 squared minus 4976 squared. That's a difference of 2 squares. So we can write it as 5024 minus 4976, close the bracket, and 5024 plus 4976, and you close the bracket. So when you work out that, you get this is this will give you 48. You multiply by this will give you 10,000, and that is 5,000. That is 10,000. So when you multiply that, you get 80,000. So that is what you get as a solution for that. That is for Roman number 1. So we go to Roman number 2, which we will say we can put that as it's also a difference of 2 squares. So we separate them and we write 8.96 minus 1.04, close the bracket. Then we have 8.96 and we add to 1.04. So when you subtract that, when you work out that, you get this is going to give you 7.92. You multiply by this will give you 10, and when you multiply that will give you 79.2. So that is how you work out that question, and you get yourself 10 marks.